Welcome to Petuk Pran's kitchen. After a lot of requests, today we are presenting before you all the healthy and tasty sprout salad. It is a simple recipe and doesn't need much time. It is also a perfect match with starter items in festivals. So, let us not waste any more time and let's start. We have already sprouted 100 gram of green gram. The link of the video is given in the description box. We'll now chop one medium-sized cucumber. An onion, now we will chop a medium-sized tomato. Add finely chopped coriander leaf. It will enhance the flavor of the salad. Add lemon juice and 2 green chilies. You may increase the amount of chili as per your taste. Grind half a coconut, mix it with the salad. Mix all the chopped veggies with the sprouts. Mix gently or the sprout will break. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar powder. The sugar powder is optional. Mix again and serve it.
Don't forget to like and share this video.
Perfect.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon ding dong for being updated. Thanks for watching.